Today on Mom to Mom, we are creating a snowstorm in a jar. Kids love fun and easy experiments like this, and we've done this in the past with making a lava lamp, but this I like to call a snowstorm. So all we need for this activity is some tempera paint, white, some baby oil, water, and Alka-Seltzer. So what you're gonna wanna do is mix your paint first. So just pour in about 1/3 paint or however much you feel mixes well with the water. It tends to be a little thick, so just play along with it to your liking. Then you're gonna pour that into your jar. Once you have that in your jar, then you're gonna take your baby oil and pour it in. Now, if your baby oil makes a lot of bubbles when you're putting it in, wait about 2 hours to kind of let it settle a little bit. Once that's done and settled, then you can throw your Alka-Seltzer in and watch the snowstorm begin. Your kids will absolutely love this. You can do it at birthday parties or just at home if your kids are bored. If you have any wonderful ideas, something fun that we can try and bring to life, please message us on our Facebook page and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.